Every single year, over 33,000 crashes are caused by tires. Not engines, not brakes, tires. So if you think a tire is just a tire, you might be gambling with your life. Today, I'm breaking down the 11 best tire brands in the world. I'm Vredestein, and at the end, I'll expose 3 brands you should avoid at all costs. Because the wrong tire doesn't just waste your money, it can cost you everything. Let's get into it. Starting off at number 11, Falken. This is the brand quietly making luxury tires look overpriced. Falken was built by Sumitomo as a high-performance division, kind of like Lexus is to Toyota, and just like Lexus, it ended up outperforming its parent. Here's why. They use silica-enriched rubber, which means better grip in rain and heat. Their 3-dimensional canyon tread design gives insane traction, even in snow. And they even added noise-canceling tech for a quieter ride. But the real game changer? Heat diffuser technology. On hot highways, tires can literally overheat and fail. Falken engineered their tires to stay cooler, reducing blowout risk. That's why brands like Porsche and Jeep trust them as OEM tires. Downside? Slightly pricey. But compared to what you get, it's a steal. At number 10, Cooper tires. If you want premium performance without the premium price, this is it. In fact, Cooper was so good, Goodyear bought them. Their secret weapon? The wear square indicator. It shows you when your tires are wearing unevenly, if your alignment is off, and when it's time to rotate. No guessing, no surprises. They also use high silica compounds, meaning flexible in winter, durable in summer. I've seen Cooper tires last 70,000 miles, perfect for trucks, SUVs, and daily drivers who want value. Number 9, Yokohama. This is the underrated genius of the tire world. J.D. Power even ranked them above some luxury brands, and here's the crazy part. They use orange oil in their tires. Sounds strange, but it improves grip, keeps rubber flexible in cold weather, and increases durability. So, the result? You get a tire that performs on both the street and the track. From their Advan Performance line to the Blue Earth series, you always get strong value for money. Number 8, BFGoodrich, the off-road king. Their biggest strength, sidewalls. Most tire failures happen there, but BFGoodrich made theirs almost twice as thick, especially in the KO2 line. These tires handle rocks, mud, harsh terrain, and they're even self-cleaning, maintaining traction automatically. If you drive off-road, this is honestly one of the best options out there. Before we continue, if you enjoy content like this, go ahead and hit subscribe. We break down real car knowledge that actually saves you money. Number 7, Hankook. They're like a true global powerhouse. Hankook supplies tires to BMW, Mercedes, Tesla, and honestly, a whole lot more. And, they consistently score high in testing. Consumer Reports even rank them among the best for EVs. Why? Well, it's because they focus heavily on quality control and research and development. So, you're getting near premium performance, but without paying those premium prices. Number 6, Pirelli. This is the Formula One brand. If you love performance driving, this is your tire. Their standout feature? Smart polymers. They actually adapt based on how you drive. Smooth driving means better fuel efficiency, and if you drive aggressively, you get more grip and control. They also include noise reduction and run-flat technology. The downside? They do wear faster and, yeah, they cost more. Number 5, Bridgestone, the technology leader. Yes, they're expensive, but they last. Some models go up to 80,000 miles, that means fewer replacements over time. They also use nanotech compounds that adjust to weather and driving conditions. And their run-flat system lets you keep driving even with no air. Number 4, Vredestein. This is honestly one of the most underrated brands out there. Not really famous, but, highly respected in the industry. Instead of spending their resources on marketing, they decided to invest in engineering and design. Consumer Reports actually rank them among the best. Their tires are quiet, comfortable, stylish, and, surprisingly, pretty affordable. Number 3, Continental. These folks are like the innovation machine. They make a wide range of tires for nearly every kind of vehicle you can think of. Some of their key technologies include self-sealing tires, advanced tread compounds, and noise reduction systems. They're always working to improve, and honestly, it really shows. Number 2. Goodyear, the American icon for sure. They dominate a bunch of industries, from racing all the way to aviation. One standout feature is their Kevlar reinforcement. Yeah, that's the same material used in bulletproof gear. The result? You get stronger tires with better puncture resistance. They also rank really high in customer satisfaction, just super reliable and proven. And, finally, number 1, Michelin, the undisputed champion, hands down. Almost every Michelin tire tested gets top ratings. Their biggest advantage? Its performance that actually lasts. Even as the tire wears down, it still maintains grip, and that's something most brands just can't match. They are expensive, but honestly, you truly get what you pay for.